So what are 5 power tools that every cosplayer needs? Find out coming up.
Welcome to Dishes and Stitches. I'm your host, Teea Jeanne.
And I'm Charles Stark.
And on this channel, we bring you cosplay tips and tricks, healthy recipes, and general life hacks to help you make healthier choices for the cosplay lifestyle.
If this is your first time to our channel, welcome, and please consider subscribing.
And today, we want to share with you 5 essential tools that every cosplayer should have.
That's right, and we use these power tools every day, and we just feel like having these in your arsenal can just make building that much easier. So let's jump in.
So one essential tool, especially for foam building armor, you have to have a heat gun. We have a Wagner heat gun here. Works very, very well for definitely forming that armor for you and can work with several other different things that you're using, but you definitely want to have these in your arsenal.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, they just make crafting and working with foam and like PVC pipe and Sintra, they just make things that much easier. You can just heat up the material, fold it the way you need it to be folded, let it cool, and you're ready to move on to the next step. Good choice. The next tool on our list is our trusty cordless drill.
Oh, it's got a battery in
it. It does. You're going to use this a lot. This is great for drilling holes into your armor. If you do any woodworking, things like that, we use this on a regular basis, especially if you want to cut some grooves into some 3D printed items and then set like some real screws and stuff like what we do with Ray's blaster and things like that. So cordless drill definitely comes in handy. Pick one up.
So one of the top things every cosplayer needs is the Ryobi hot glue gun. This will help you seal any pieces that you need, attach anything, and it's a lot cheaper than getting a bunch of those like super glues, any of those kind of really expensive super glues or anything. This works really well for it.
And it's cordless. What?
Check out the other video.
The next tool in our kit, power tool, is our trusty Dremel. This is a 3000 series. This Dremel will actually run you about $60, $70, but you absolutely need a Dremel. It saves so much time. It is great for sanding down foam, sanding down wood, sanding down, I mean, you need
everything.
A Dremel. If you're a cosplayer, a Dremel is a must-have. And I know that they sell cheaper Dremels at places like Harbor Freight and whatnot. You get what you pay for when it comes to Dremels. We totally recommend investing in the tools of your trade, and you're definitely going to want to go with a more sturdier and more trusted model. It'll save you a lot of frustration in the long run. And finally, the last tool that you will need for, especially if you're a builder and you do a lot with electronics, LED lights, servos, Arduino computers, things like that, you need a soldering iron and an electrical repair kit. This thing has saved me more than one time. This kit has all the connectors and wires and gauges and everything you would need. The soldering iron is great for soldering on switches, LED nodes to copper wire. This is definitely a must-have if you are a cosplayer, especially if you want to use bells and whistles, electronics, and lights. So invest up front. A good kit like this will cost you about $30, but it's well worth it. Well guys, there you have it. 5 essential must-have power tools if you are a cosplayer. If you build armor and you work on cosplays, you definitely want to add these to your arsenal. They just make life a lot easier. We use these on a regular basis every day, and in the years that we've been doing this, our life is much better for having these available. If you need any more information on these products, just check out the show notes, and we have links to all the descriptions below. When the holidays are upon us, you can usually find these at great deals. That is definitely the time to stock up.
And remember, at Dishes and Stitches, we're putting the confidence back into cosplay. Hey guys, thanks for checking out this video. If you'd like to see more videos on cosplay, on things that we use like this, click on the link over here. And if you'd like to subscribe for more videos, click on the link above. And if you want to find out more about cosplay as a business and how we do it, click on the link over here.
What's the name of it?
Heat gun.
Yeah, but what is it?